Careful, Audrey. This is Audrey.
Yeah.
A crazy 2-year-old. Hanging out outside because it's raining a little bit.
Money.
She's found money apparently.
Money. No money.
No money.
Money.
Well, Mom drinks coffee. I saw on Facebook earlier that Fox 26 in Houston posted that today is National Lazy Mom Day. And I'm thinking to myself, Lazy Mom Day? Like, does that really exist? I mean, I guess there are. No, I'm not even gonna go there. But Lazy Mom Day, really? You like my owl cup? Like, can you be a lazy mom with a toddler? And I also have 2 teenagers. I guess it's possible for some people, but not this mom. Right. Hey, you did find a lot of money. Hey, at least you agreed with me. All right. Well, we just wanted to say hi. Post a video before before Mommy's phone dies. Hi, everybody. Hi. Blow kisses. Can you blow kisses? Oh, good job. Silly girl. And this is Diesel. Well, talk to you soon.